So it seems like I got some ducks that want to rest under my rig. Oh, guess I'm running them off. Is it cool under there? Huh? You like it under there? One of the wonderful things about this park is all the wildlife that comes in. Now, it's getting warmer, so there isn't quite as much. I've just run into a few as I've been here, and we go on our afternoon ride, hunting squirrels. That's what the dogs like to do. And I've run into birds. I mean, it's Florida, and you got all these birds just naturally here. And some of them are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I want to show you some of the things I've run into in this park, riding around. And, you know, with the trees and the shade, and it's just got a really cool vibe here.
Those are gorgeous.
It's called a wood stork. Wood stork. A wood stork.
The Hot Dog Brothers. He's one of the Hot Dog Brothers. Comes around, he's wanting a hot dog. Look, where's my hot dog?
Where's the coast? Mobile.
Go get him a hot dog.
We're heading through your way. Is there anywhere we should...
Hey, bud. Holy crap, there's a turkey. I mean, literally a turkey. You're okay, buddy. I'm just trying to film you. I'll leave you alone. That's it, gone. I need you to get out the road. Not trying to scare you, but I don't want a car to run over you, buddy. You need to go over. You need to go out the road. That's it. Just go out the road. Don't go straight. Go the other way. Because you don't want to go into the main road. That'd be worse. That's it. I'm just rounding you so you can go. That's it. Coco, hush. Hush, Coco. There you go. That's a good boy. Go and get out the road. Go. Keep going. No. Here's that turkey. And I don't mean jive turkey. I mean an actual turkey that runs around the park. Second time I've seen it. Gobble, 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 gobble. 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 Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Grip. Grip. Trying to get him to talk. Or a her. I think it's a her. Up. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'd rather shoot you with a camera than a gun. Unless I'm actually turkey hunting. Hey, I got some peanuts. I'm not gonna hurt you. What are y'all anyway? Sorry, the camera. I'm throwing them some peanuts. Pretty bird. That's a pretty bird. Yeah, that's a pretty bird. One more. Pretty bird. Pretty birds. That's two different kind of birds right there fighting. That big one's a different kind of bird than the pretty white ones. Those two are, I don't know if they're trying to steal their eggs or. So there's some different kind of little birds right there. They're darker. See them right there. Then there's the pretty white ones with the yellow beak. Then there's what I think they were describing to me as wood cranes, or the ones that aren't so pretty, like this one flying in right now. Has almost a vulture face. Duck crossing. They are getting big. They were babies when I got here. So this is a daily routine for us. They get to go on their squirrel hunt in the afternoon when it cools off. But it's my time to ride around the cart too. It's such a beautiful park. I'm gonna miss all these trees. I mean, it is just so lush. That's a nature preserve back here behind these spots. Oh, there's a cat, Coco. But it really is just gorgeous here. Only problem? No internet. We've been using 4G and just, yeah, it's expensive and capped and all that. Please come, Starlink. Please come. Look at that oak tree there. They built the deck around. This really is gorgeous here. So this, where we are, Oak Springs, it was a Boy Scout camp years ago, many years ago. So it was a nature preserve then, you know, and they would come here and camp out and do their Boy Scout things. But whoever turned it into an RV park kept the trees, which was smart. Now, personally, I'd have killed those pines, but, you know, harvest them. But that's just me. And had they done that long ago, I mean, we're talking, I don't know, this park's freaking old. It's been many things, so we're probably going all the way back to the 60s. Squirrel. So pretty rig there. Nice 450. So this is the area they live. There's a squirrel right over here by the dog park. These squirrels are everywhere. Ow! Coco, cut my leg. I am gonna miss these trees. It's cool right now. I mean, it was 92 today. It's about 84, but it's windy and shaded. Not the humidity's down, so it's just nice. This is where they're hoping they'll be let off the leash. Go run around a little bit. I don't see enough squirrels. We'll come back through later. There's a few. We got our duck. There's 2 squirrels over there. 2 squirrels in that tree. And we got the guys right here that live in this tree. Oh, there's one right there on that pine. Look at him, trying to blend in. There's 2 of them right there in that tree. Man, if you were hungry, that is some easy picking right there. But it wouldn't be game though. It wouldn't even be a game. It was everywhere. Roots through here. We'll come back through. But yeah, I'm gonna miss this afternoon ride. It's just nice. Dogs love it, and it's just a peaceful time. I usually put my headbuds in and earbuds in and book on tape or music, whatever I'm in the mood for. Man, noticed the new glasses. They look like the other ones, but they're actually a little bit bigger and they're black. So I'm still getting used to them. New prescription. Also, we've liked being here. The internet is a problem, but everything is so close. It's so convenient to everything. We're in Port Richey. Now, New Port Richey is newer and nicer, but we've got, I mean, at the end of this road, there's a mall, Lynn Crafter, where I got my new glasses. There's, right across the street is Books A Million. TJ Maxx is just down the road. Walmart, I like to go just a little bit further north to Hudson to go to Walmart because it's a lot slower. And plenty of places to eat and everything just right here. The Mazda dealership, the scenic drive that runs through here, I can get to the Mazda dealership, I can get to the mall. That's where I got our tent done. We got ceramic tent, fully wrapped ceramic tent. It blocks as much as a limousine tent. We got that right down the road on both the truck and the Mazda. That was there. My mother came. We rented her a cabin here, $60 a night. It's new and nice. You know, it's small, but it's a trailer. But when she got here, her Mercedes was having problems. So the people here recommended a certain repairman, and he's right by the tent guy. I mean, everything's just been so convenient for us here. But again, riding around the park because of all the trees, it's just been an afternoon ritual with me and the dogs that I'm really gonna miss. So this is the entrance to the park. It's an older park. Most of them here are. That's the map. $528 spots in this small of a park.